Good morning and happy Wednesday. Hope all is well, swell, and totally hip and groovy. Sorry, in my neck of the woods. Mr. Ranger Dog and I are just getting up and about. We're gonna get this most excellent day started. Mr. Ranger Dog. So yeah, people camping, staying in their vehicles right next to mine, but nobody, this person stayed right there, but the spot right next to me and this other person over here, nobody ever stayed. So that's pretty cool. So I got Ranger his Ranger breakfast with his Ranger medicine every morning at 5 o'clock and every evening at 5 o'clock. He takes a pill every 12 hours, 2 a day. So I'm having me cup of joe, waking up, relaxing. I don't have to be at work for at least another 2.5 hours, so just enjoying my morning coffee. So yeah, there's actually quite a few people that stayed here last night, taking Mr. Ranger Dog for his morning exercise. But Flying J here, they're nationwide, and I've been staying at these suckers since 2003, and they're decently safe. I've never had an issue with them and all that jazz. So that's the dealio, folks. That's the dealio. You ready to go, Ranger? Ranger getting his kicks on Route 66, going across the Lake Old Holster Bridge. Alrighty folks, so I stopped at the Lake Oval Holster Bridge here on Route 66. It's a special little place for me. It's where I started my journey west down Route 66. Gotta make sure there's no cars coming, but yep, this is where I parked in September of 2015 to head west to California. It was a groovy little trip. It was a fun trip. It's a special little place here, so I figured I'd start off my morning before work right here at Route 66, Lake Oval Holster Bridge. Alrighty folks, so Mr. Ranger Dog and I had some lunch with Kevin, my boss Kevin, and his family here at this Route 66 park here in Yukon, Oklahoma. We just walked Route 66. They have it starting in Chicago and ending back there in LA. So that's what we did here on our little lunch break today.
If I started on that corner of my house and went all the way around the back.
Well, friends, Ranger Dog and I just got done working. We're heading back to the truck stop for the night because I will be starting a new job. Still working with my boss Kevin, but we're starting a new job tomorrow because we finished this job today. Kind of close to where I'm at, so I'm gonna stay tonight at the truck stop, and then tomorrow after work, Mr. Ranger Dog and I will head back to the Good Karma Camper so I can get some more Ranger Dog food, get me some more food, get Ranger's pills, and take a shower and all that groovy jazz. So that's the plan, that's the dealio, as they say. Alrighty folks, I'll see you fine folks. I'll see you when I see you. Alrighty folks, so Mr. Ranger Dog and I are all set up here back at the truck stop, the good old Flying J truck stop. We just had some dinner. Now Mr. Ranger Dog is out doing his Ranger Dog thing. Look at that majestic Oklahoma sunset. The evening is definitely upon us. And look at those birds. Definitely Hitchcock would be proud. Alrighty folks, I'm getting settled in for the evening. Mr. Ranger Dog and I had a really good dinner. He had his dinner, I had my dinner. So I'm just relaxing, enjoying the evening, getting ready to head to bed shortly, probably within the next hour or so. Because tomorrow, a whole nother work site, a whole nother day. Alrighty folks, thank you for tagging along with me and Mr. Ranger Dog today. We appreciate it. Until we see you tomorrow. Love one another, be kind to one another, be grateful for every single moment of the day, everybody that's in your life. Peace, love, and Volkswagen grease.